I'm Ryan Weimer. We're here at 1636 Lake Crest Way in Eagle, Idaho. Our biggest single family flip ever. But you'll have to wait until the end of the video to see how much money we made. Let's go check it out. Remember the before videos on this property? After 14 years of home ownership, this woman was 7 days away from losing the home to auction and walking with nothing. The seller didn't even know what she owed on this property. In fact, there were 7 liens totaling over $600,000. With that tight time window, we got the auction delayed so the title company had time to order all the payoffs and we closed within 10 days. On a home this magnificent and this big in size, it's very easy to overspend in your remodel. However, speed is key in this price point. Every year after July 4th weekend, we see huge declines in buyer activity, so we kept this remodel budget at $70,000 and finished in 45 days. We did new landscaping, new paint, new light fixtures, completely gutted and decked out the master bath. Oh, and the tile floors are heated for those cold winter nights. With recently sold remodeled comps at 1.4 to 1.5 million, we actually listed this lower at 1.3 million to get it sold quickly. And ultimately, we got 3 offers in the first weekend and settled on a purchase price of 1.25 million. After about $50,000 in realtor commissions, closing costs, and holding costs, we netted $400,000 profit on this deal.